or
Give
them
the
money
to
buy
a
different
product.
step,
5.
enjoy. Champions 2. Wow.
Thank you so much, Junior Chesco. Now, for our next presentation. This is ABC Soap. May I have the first batch? Paz, Nicholas, and John. So what will happen is they will make a scene, but not just any scene. All of the sentence that starts, that they will say will start with the first letter of the alphabet, and the second letter of the alphabet, and the third. So that is why ABC Soap siya. So, gusto niyo ba makita? Yes. So, can I have something na favorite yung inumin? Your favorite drink?
Pocari Sweat.
Pocari Sweat. So, this is ABC Soap with Pocari Sweat. Pocari Sweat. A! Ang sabi mo? B!
Bakit?
Kasi ayun pala. Ayun pala.
Doctor, can you have my picture? Ewan?
Ano ba yung klaseng hospital to? Ano yung klaseng doktor to?
Gaga. Ay, naku! Let's go home and treat you!
Iwan na natin ang doktor na yan. Walang kwenta.
John.
Kala mo, magaling, hindi naman pala.
Ako ha? Magaling ka ba? My God, I'm fainting.
Naku, ayan, sinasabi ko sa'yo eh. Kasalanan mo yan.
Oh my God.
Parati ka na lang nahihimatay. Ano ba yan?
Naku, my God.
Aloka! Aloka ka talaga, doktor ka!
Rest in peace.
Sunod naman ang sunod ng doktor na. Alis na nga kami eh!
Tara, balik tayo to.
Kung ano, gagamutin mo ba kami?
Buhay na. What will we do now? Explain muna.
Yes. That will do.